In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Figma to VSCode 2025, full tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to take your Figma design and seamlessly generate production-ready code you can paste into your project in Visual Studio Code. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, open the design page or file you want to work with. It's helpful to have the specific frame or component you want code for clearly selected, so the plugin knows exactly what to generate. If your file has multiple pages or frames, take a moment to pick the one you want to export code from. Next, look for the Actions menu at the top of Figma. Click Actions, then choose the Plugins option. This is where you access all the tools that extend what Figma can do. In the search field, type Figma to code. When you see it in the results, click it and then click Run. If Figma shows a quick prompt or asks for permission, just follow the on-screen instructions so the plugin can access your current file. In a moment, the plugin panel will open on the right side. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Figma to Code plugin reads your selected layers, analyzes layout, spacing, and styles, and converts that into clean code. Depending on the plugin's current features, you'll typically get options like HTML and CSS, React, or other frameworks. This is what links your design work to your coding workflow in VS Code. You'll generate the code here, copy it, and paste it directly into your project files. Now feel free to explore this plugin. Start by confirming the correct frame is selected in the canvas. Check the plugin's settings or output options to match your preferred stack. If you see toggles for responsive layout, class names, or design tokens, review them so the generated code aligns with your project's standards. When the code is ready, copy it from the plugin and move over to your VS Code window to paste it into the right files. If something looks off, return to Figma, adjust layer names, fix grouping, or refine auto layout settings and rerun the plugin for a cleaner result. That's all you need to connect your Figma design to your VS Code workflow using Figma to Code. Open Figma, load your page, go to Actions, open Plugins, search Figma to Code, click it, and run it. Then explore the options, copy the output, and paste it into your codebase. Thanks for watching, and happy building.